Hi everybody, Bucky here again. Well, it's time to become a tree hugger. Well, not that kind. I'm talking about hanging tree stands. And occasionally when hanging tree stands, we end up having to hug that tree at times in order to get the job done. So today's tip number 8, is on tree stand height, especially in regards to a deer's line of sight. So, what's a good height for hanging a tree stand? Usually, a good height will be between 10 and 20 feet. But just like what's a trophy deer and what's not, everything is relative. Now remember, you are hanging a tree stand to primarily get out of a deer's line of sight. And some would even say to keep a deer from smelling you as well. Good luck with that. If we hung a tree stand 20 feet up on 3 separate trees, each on different topography, we would have 3 different results. Now on flat land, 20 feet up on a tree is usually a perfect height for your tree stand. When hunting in hilly terrain, placing a tree stand 20 feet up on a tree on the uphill side of a trail may be a little too high, but still get you out of the deer's line of sight. And when hunting hilly terrain and hanging your stand on the downhill side of a trail, that 20 feet might not be high enough to get you out of the deer's line of sight. And yes, deer do look up, especially when you give them a reason to. And remember to join me, Bucky, weekly for some more awesome whitetail hunting tips. Now go hug some trees. Peace out. Imagine there's no antis. It isn't hard to do. Imagine all the hunters living life in peace. Oh, 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 oh.